Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to add your music, your sounds, your instrumentals to Spotify. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is to create a new playlist. It doesn't have to be anything special. Alright, I'm just gonna call this playlist 1. Okay, playlist 1. Alright, if you have the image, you can upload the image. If you have the description, you can include that as well. Alright, when you're done with that, you can hit save. Alright, and then when you're done with creating the playlist, you can actually see that at the left top corner of the screen, on this section of the screen right here. Alright, and when you're done with that, you navigate to your settings. All right, and usually when you arrive to this place, the spot of where you will actually be looking for is show songs from. Okay, and when you arrive to this section of the screen, you would see that this is usually toggled off. Okay, so what you have to do is you toggle this back on, and then you add a source. Okay, when you click to add source, then you navigate towards the direction of where you intend to save the music from. Okay, for me right now I want to add from study sounds. Okay, I click on OK, and right now I'm going to navigate back to my local sounds. Right here. Okay, and then I can be able to upload it. So after you've toggled this on and you've selected the folder, the music or the sounds that you've added will be shown in your local files. Okay, yeah, and then all you have to do is go to your local files. All right, you find all the list of music that you've actually added. All right, the transient, the flow waves, and this is actually music that I've added right now, and you can add it to a playlist. These are the playlists I've created previously. So what all you have to do right now is just click on the playlist that you intend to add this to. I'm going to add the first 3 of the sounds. Okay, and add the first 3 of the sounds to this. All right, and then when I come down to my playlist, you see the 3 music have been added. These instrumentals have been added to this. So guys, that is actually the very simple way you can actually add music to your Spotify playlist, and you can actually make this public, and you can share this with your friends and your families and stuff. All right guys, so please do have a wonderful day. All right, cheers.